Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 19 till the 25th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me, or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. I'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono masterclass and self-love courses too, links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Sagis, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Nine of Cups. Okay, so there's a sense of wish fulfillment. There's a sense of a desire to be fulfilled in a situation between you and this particular energy. Let me clarify the Nine of Cups here. We have the King of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, the Three of Swords. Somebody's feeling working on the heartbreak, the working on the pain that they experience because of this situation. Somebody's feeling like coming towards this situation, handling this situation with a lot of emotional maturity and putting in the effort and energy in repairing the situation somehow. Okay, this is someone who feels like repairing the situation with love, with compassion, and having a happy-go-lucky energy here. Let me continue this reading. We will get the clear picture. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation. But somebody definitely here feels like healing the heartbreak, healing the pain in the situation in whatever way they can. It's their wish fulfillment, it's their desire. What do you feel? Death and rebirth. You feel like this is a deal, this is gone, this is done, but still there is some kind of unfinished business between you guys. But you no longer feel that much connected or that much attached to the situation as you used to be. You're kind of feeling very different about the situation now. Let's clarify the death and rebirth. We have the Four of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, the Four of Wands. You're heading towards a new person, new chapter, new journey. You're done with this disappointment or disappointments. You're continuously in this energy of heading towards something new or someone new where you are going to get the stable relationship or a happily ever after kind of a deal that you want in your life. You feel like letting go of the disappointments, including this connection that you were in, and you feel like heading towards something new or someone new that's going to create a lot of stable energies for the future ahead of you. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Lovers. Let me clarify this, lovers, to get the clear picture. There was a breakup or separation. You are over the situation and somebody wants to heal the situation. We have the Hermit, the Five of Pentacles, the Page of Wands. This person wants to make their way back into the situation by just starting the situation by just being friends, you can say, or starting a casual friendship kind of casual like connection kind of a deal between you and them. I don't know why this thing is itching like crazy from since morning. Yeah. So this is somebody who wants to make their way back into your life by starting from scratch, like a friendship kind of a deal only, but their intention is to have a strong beautiful connection at some point of time, but coming forward but wants to come forward as a friend only kind of a deal or a casual connection kind of a deal. Okay, I don't know why people are so manipulative, why they don't just tell the other person what they want and life is going to be so easy like that. But no, people wants to do exactly the opposite of what they want to do and then blame the whole universe. Anyways, so let's see, what do you want from this particular person? By the way, this person wants to come enter into your life because they're feeling left out in the cold by you, because you don't care. Now this person is kind of, it's like reverse psychology kind of a game going on, where maybe you were behind this person, you were in love with this person madly. Honestly speaking, I don't see this person in love with you, but I do see this person wants to be in your energy field, because they're feeling left out in the cold, and now they want to be emotionally mature about the situation and sort it out with you, because they are feeling like you are gone, you are not with them anymore. That is making them that is making this person's energies go back to this energy of, okay, let me talk to Sagittarius again. I don't see them being in love or crazy in love or something like that. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation? The moment they are going to get something or someone better than you, they're planning to leave. I can write down on paper about this thing, because they don't have anything better or anyone better in their life right now. They are like, okay, let me deal with Sagittarius only. They were in love with me. You want to do the justice. Thank God. Thank the universe. You want to do the justice here. You want to do the right thing. You want this person to face their karma. Let me see the justice here. Let me clarify the justice. We have the Ten of Swords and the Seven of Pentacles and the Sun. You're done with the waiting game. You're done with this person. You're done with the waiting game. All you want in your life is happiness. All you want in your life is, you know what you want and you want to achieve that. You want to straight away go to that portion of your life, that part of your life where you are going to exactly get what you really, really want in your life. No mind games, no ifs and buts, no confusions, only happiness and a good relationship. Exactly the way you wanted, nothing less than that. You don't want to settle for less than what you deserve, and that's a really, really good thing. You're coming in your power, and you know what you want, and you just want to go ahead for that only. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 25th of May. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. It's like trying to be focused on yourself only, but for some reason not able to do that. Let me clarify this Nine of Pentacles. Very strong desire to be with yourself. Let's clarify this. We have the Ten of Cups and the King of Wands and the Fool card. Although you are breaking free from the situation, somehow you are going to still very much connected to the idea of being with some kind of happily ever after kind of a deal. Maybe you're giving somebody a shot, but not giving them the shot completely from your side. Very passionate about it, very happy about it, very much in this energy of, okay, let's do it, but at the same time not trying to lose your independence. Okay, what is happening here is, Sagittarius, you are going to end up maybe giving a shot to another, to somebody. It can be a new person, it can be somebody that's already connected to you, doesn't matter. Meanwhile, trying to maintain a sense of independence, but at the same time feeling like if you are going to go in a direction giving somebody a shot, you are going to lose your independence, but still kind of very excited about the future, kind of very passionate about the future, and feeling like, okay, good things are happening, with this pinch of, I'm losing my independence. Yeah, it's good, but I'm losing myself. A pinch of that. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys. The Queen of Cups. Yeah, you should be your number one priority right now, honey. Self-love, self-care, self-healing. Be in a connection or in a relationship when your cup of love is fully filled with your self-love. Once your cup of love is filled with your own love, when you feel like, okay, now you are ready to collaborate with somebody, share this love with somebody on the same level, then go ahead in that direction. Nobody is forcing you. Even if you're 80, it doesn't matter. Until unless you are madly in love with yourself, until unless you are 1000% sure that the energy that's coming your way is the one that you deserve, you should not go in that direction. Just an advice. You don't have to follow any advice if you feel like you should not. This is the guidance from the universe's side. There's a lack of self-love here. That's why you are going to be a little scared, even if you are going to feel like, okay, this is the right thing to do. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.